So in this problem, I want to do a matrix multiplication of x y, meaning I'm multiplying this matrix x with matrix y. So the first thing to do before I multiply is to check if they are conformable. Now this is how we do that. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. So matrix y is a 3 by 4 matrix. For conformability, this 3 here, number of columns for matrix x must be equal to must be the same as the number of rows for matrix y. That means these two matrices can be multiplied together, and what we'll have as the answer is a 2 by 4 matrix. So that will be the expected answer. So let's do this multiplication. This row will go with this column. This row will be multiplied with this column. So that we are going to have 1 times 1 will give us 1 plus 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then 1 times 1 will give us 1. So that's 8. That's going to give us 8. So we go again. This row will be multiplied with this column. So if we do that, we are going to have 1 multiplied by 0, that will give us 0. Then we have 2 multiplied by 2, that will give us plus 4. Then we have 1 here multiplied by minus 2, that's minus 2. So if we do this, we are going to have 2. This will give us 2. So we go again, we multiply this same row, we multiply it by this third column here. So if we do that, we are going to have again 1 times 1, that will give us 1. 2 times minus 1, that will give us plus minus 2. Then we have 1 times 0, that will give us plus 0. So if we do this all together, that should give us negative 1. Then we go again. This row multiplies this column. So we have 1 times 6. 1 times 6 will give us 6. Then 2 times 1 will give us 2. Then 1 times 4. 1 times 4 will give us 4. So what do we have here? We have 12. This will give us 12. So we are almost there. Then we now go for the second row. This second row multiplies each of this column here, each of them. So let's multiply. We have 0 times 1. 0 times 1 will give us 0. Then minus 1, negative 1. Negative 1 multiplied by 3 will give us plus negative 3. Then we have 4. 4 multiplied by 1 will give us plus 4. So that's negative 3 positive 4. That will give us 1. So we go again. We have this row. This row multiplies this column. This row multiplies this column. We have 0 times 0 is 0. We have negative 1 multiply by 2, we have negative 2 plus we have 4 here. 4 multiplied by negative 2, that will be negative 8. So this will give us negative 10. So if we go again, we are going to have this row again multiplies the third column, this column here. So we have 0 multiplied by 1, that will give us 0. Then negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 will give us plus 1. Then we have 4 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. So this will give us 1. Then we go for the last one now. This is the second row. We multiply this, so that will be 0. 0 is here. 0 times 6 will give us 0. Negative 1 times 1 will give us negative 1. Then we have 4. 4 is here. 4 times 4 will give us plus 16. So when we do this down here, we are going to have 15. So it means xy is equals to 8, 2, negative 1, 12, 1, negative 10, 1, and 15. A 2 by 4 matrix as expected. A 2 by 4 matrix as expected. Thank you for watching. Please, I would like you to subscribe and share the lesson. Thank you very much.